So already had put the stuff here. This is the beef. Beef we usually fry it with tomatoes and onions. Today I have visitors like yes. Ongeza chumvi. Look at that now. Ooh. Guys, from the other videos we had not, you can see the difference of our meko here. They have like done it now. This is cement here. This is cement, and they did it like when I was away. So I think it's now I'm gonna use like 2 to firewood, not like the time that we were you put a heap of firewood. But then today I see like there is a difference, and like I'm enjoying doing the job because I love the cooking. Yeah. This is the soup from the beef. So now the meat is ready. Now I have to add the soup. We have to stir because maybe we add the soup. Uh-oh. Inaweza ikaanguka. Adding the soup, you just stir and you leave it for like some 10 to 20 minutes to get ready because the meat was already cooked. Yeah, we cover it. Sukuma wiki, sukuma wiki. When I'm cooking the sukuma wiki, I have to put the tomatoes first, and then I put the onions because the onions are green. So I love not to start with the onions. I love start with the tomatoes so that it will not, it will be on the same mixture with the sukuma wiki. The tomatoes are ready. I add the onions. These are the green onions, which is spring onions. And then already you put the sukuma wiki. See. Uh-oh, it's too much. Oh, wait, Jesus. After that, we mix. Oh, today we are cooking like the whole of the village. After that, I add salt. So, and then we continue mixing with the mixture of sukuma wiki, onions, and the salt, and the tomatoes. Yeah, until it is ready, like. So we done like. Remember, we don't need to cook it like the other vegetables. It's just frying it while green. While it is ready, we just remove it from the fire. When it is ready, we just continue mixing until it is ready. So it should be green the way you see it. This one here, it is ready to eat, because if you fry it green like this, all the nutrients are just there. It doesn't need any boiling. That's why we are just frying it like this. This is already ready to be eaten. Yeah. You can drop a comment if this is how you do it. Maybe you may do it in a different way, while to my side, I am doing it in my way. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's watch until the end. Don't skip the ads. Yeah. What's up, guys? Here, your girl, Grace Mission. Take live from the village. I'm very much happy today. I am walking here back to the village, back to my kitchen. Blessings all over outside there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share to your friends. For my tiny subscribers, I thank you for coming back again and again. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing, support your guy. So as usual, let's go see where they're selling street food. It's like they're selling street food, and you may wonder what they're selling. Let's go see.